Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
In this video, I will explain how to remove your VW Passat battery. First, ensure your vehicle is completely turned off and the parking brake is firmly engaged for safety. Gather your essential tools, including a 10mm wrench, safety gloves, and eye protection. Then, locate your car battery. It's typically found under the hood, but some Passat models might have it in the trunk or under a seat. Taking these initial steps ensures a safe and smooth process. Next, we will disconnect the negative terminal. Always start with the negative terminal to prevent electrical shorts. Identify the negative terminal, which is typically marked with a minus sign and often has a black cable. Use your 10mm wrench to loosen the nut on the terminal. Once loose, carefully remove the cable and ensure it does not accidentally touch any metal parts of the car. This is a crucial safety step. Now, let's move on to the positive terminal. This terminal is usually covered by a red cap and marked with a plus sign, indicating the positive connection. Using your 10mm wrench, carefully loosen the nut on this terminal. Once the nut is loose, gently remove the positive cable. It is very important to ensure this cable does not come into contact with any metal surfaces or the negative terminal to avoid sparks or damage. Finally, we will remove the battery hold-down and the battery itself. Locate the battery hold-down clamp or strap, which secures the battery in its tray. These are usually found at the base or top of the battery. Loosen or remove the fasteners holding it in place. With the hold-down removed, carefully lift the old battery straight up and out of the vehicle. Remember, car batteries are heavy, so lift with your legs and be cautious.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.